Hello everyone, it's a wonderful day. So for today's video, let's take a walk at the beach of Canar. So stay tuned as I walk you around. So let's keep walking. Today is another beautiful day. The beautiful sunshine is shining. So let's keep walking. And I want to take this opportunity to say thank you everyone for always watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you get notified for every new videos that I upload. So let's keep going. We're almost near to the beach. If new here in Canar, this Pico restaurant over there is new here in Canar. It's a new restaurant. Before it's Tipik Beach. So let's keep walking over here. We are here at the beach of Canar. So look at that. So today there are so many people here. Look at that. So let's keep walking at the beach. It's a wonderful day today. Today is Sunday and there's so many people enjoying the beach. Look at the water in the beach. So crystal clear. So let's keep walking. Wow, it's a beautiful day here. It's very calming. Look at the water, so crystal clear. So let's keep moving. The beautiful sunshine is shining. So let's go over there. Canar Beach is a very family-friendly beach where young little ones can enjoy because the water here is very shallow. So it's a very family-friendly beach. There's also water sports here where you can enjoy kayaks, paddle surf, parasailing, everything you want. So let's keep moving over there. And this is the new promenade of Canar. This one is the Marvent restaurant. So let's keep walking over here. So the view over here where you can see is the beautiful beach of Canar. Look at that. This is amazing. Today is 1st of October and there's so many people enjoying the beautiful sunny day. So let's go. Let's keep walking. This is Charles. We're only open at night. There's a live music in here. So let's go. And this is the big building is Aloha Hotel. That is their logo. So, okay, let's keep walking. As I always said in my previous vlog, that on the left side is the small port of Canar, where small boat from Formentera to Ibiza is docking here. So I think that's all for today's vlog. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.